I honestly do think it has helped me get over the flu that I have had, a particularly nasty one for the last couple of weeks, a lot quicker. Hey team, welcome to today's video. My name is Hayden. If you are brand new here, welcome to the channel. It's Monday, we know what that means. It means it's time to take a look at something new, do a first impressions, start a new series, all of the things. We have something slightly different today, which is not the norm for this channel. If you are brand new here, we typically stick to skincare for men and fashion for men. This is definitely in the realm of self-care, so it is related. Before we dive in, we take a look at what we're going to take a look at. This is not a sponsored video. I did not pay for the product myself. I was fortunate enough to have it sent my way after some communication with the brand, and that is from the brand Aha Harmony. I'm hoping I got that right. Though even though I did not pay for it, I always make sure that my thoughts and opinions are authentic and honest based on my first experience, first impressions, and all of the things using the product. So what we are looking at today is the Aha Halo device, a portable wellness companion. Now this is not budget friendly. It is up there in price. It is listed on the Aha Halo website at $599 US. I have the website open. We're just going to go through what it's supposed to do. It's a frequency healing device. What that means, frequency healing is a therapeutic method that uses specific vibrational frequencies to support the body's natural healing abilities. Each cell in the human body vibrates at a unique frequency, and disruptions to these frequencies can often lead to illness or discomfort. By applying precisely calibrated frequencies, balance and harmony can be restored at a cellular level. Aha Halo leverages advanced technology to convert frequencies into powerful scalar energy fields, delivering comprehensive health support and protection for its users. Here are two key strengths of Aha Halo: a specialized frequency-based solution supported by over 20 years of dedicated frequency research. It does the scalar energy field. Weighing only 105 grams, Aha Halo is a compact yet powerful device designed to seamlessly integrate frequency healing into daily life. Aha Halo has over 100 free lifetime programs providing targeted support for a wide range of everyday and specialized needs. The device allows users to harness the transformative potential of the energy to enhance both physical and emotional well-being. Key benefits include, there's 3 of them: physical health, enhances energy levels and promotes improved circulation, alleviates pain, inflammation, arthritis, injury-related discomfort, accelerates healing processes, boosts metabolism and supports weight management, optimizes cellular function by improving nutrient absorption and waste detoxification. Mental health and emotional wellness, enhances mental clarity, focus, concentration and memory retention, reduces migraine, stress and symptoms of depression, improves sleep quality, fostering restorative and rejuvenating rest. And then the third one is holistic harmony, opens and aligns the body's chakras for energetic balance, slows the aging process and facilitates DNA repair while protecting against damage, and mitigates the adverse effects of electromagnetic fields from modern devices. Every day, simply turn on Aha Halo. The healing power of frequencies will safeguard the harmonious resonance of your body and mind. Okay, well, it sounds great. I have the device in hand. It did take a while for it to be delivered. Obviously, it's coming to me in Australia. Within, we have a device kind of like a phone case, a lanyard, the device itself, and what seems to be a travel bag of sorts. This interesting little bag that was included. I'm assuming the device can sit in here because there is a little pocket within the pouch inside, zips on the other side, and then a place for the lanyard to be connected. But we came here for the device. I like the packaging. It's got a soft matte cardboard, kind of reinforced. It does feel expensive. Within, we have the device and these cards. So there are 3 Harmony cards. It says on here, I'm a little confused. Align the Harmony card with Aha Halo and run your healing program to store its frequencies on the card. I'm not sure how that happens, it's cardboard. Carry the card with you to enjoy all-day energy protection. Reuse and recharge the card with new programs as needed, and share it with loved ones or those in need. Recharge the card after 1 week to maintain its functionality. Keep the card protected from direct sunlight and EMF radiation. Okay, interesting. It's a very nice rubbery, soft plastic. Underneath the device, we have the actual manual, and what I'm assuming are the cables for charging, and right in there like so. I've learnt my lesson and not to wing it. We're going to learn how to use the device. Number 1, connect the Aha Halo to your computer using a USB cable. Press the right button to turn on, which is a dial on the actual device. And it seems that there is power, there is some charge in here. Number 3, open the Aha Halo software on your computer. Select the programs you need and click load. Number 5, use the up and down buttons on Aha Halo to choose your program. Press the right button to start the program and place your Aha Halo near you and enjoy. Now it is stating that there is very low charge, so we're going to do the computer thing, load it up, see what it's like, give it some charge. You need to go to the ahaharmony.com website to download the software and follow the manual to load more programs. I quite like the interface. It definitely looks very futuristic, and it's quite quickly charging. So you just go directly to their website. You go to programs, heading over to the programs tab and then software download. It brings you to this page. This is what this software looks like. There's a whole bunch of program topics: women's care, men's care, emotional well-being, spiritual well-being, energy pathways, cleansing, holistic body care, physical well-being, and then these 3, comfort, sleep, and beauty. There is a quick pack at the top here that has all of these included. There's 18 within. So if I just wanted to do that nice and quick, it'll install that. On the side here, we have the website, a video guide, FAQ, software update, which is already done, firmware upgrade, suggestions, email, forum, language. This is what's on the device currently. These are the 3 programs: radiation, good luck, and water charger. I think I'm going to go for good sleep 3. We'll do thicker hair, young hair, full body cleansing, liver cleansing, kidney cleansing, metabolism, relaxation, clarity, focus, motivation, good luck. Okay, we have everything loaded up onto our handy little device here. I've given it a bit of a charge. It is quite a few hours later. I had to let some charge build up, and I kind of did a little practice test with the one for thicker hair. It doesn't emit anything, I don't hear anything, I don't feel anything. It's pretty straightforward to use. All you do is you cycle through up and down on which one you want to do. We are going to try the Good Sleep 3 tonight. Obviously it's still daylight. We're going to finish charging this up, fast forward a few hours, press play before we go to bed, and report in the morning. Okay, it has been 2 weeks since I started using the device, and I predominantly have been using it at nighttime for the Good Sleep 3 function. I'm very happy to report not only is my sleep improved, and I have the Ring data to prove it, it records my sleep, but I have felt, obviously it comes hand in hand with good sleep, I've felt a lot more motivated and aware the days after. I honestly do think it has helped me get over the flu that I have had, a particularly nasty one for the last couple of weeks, a lot quicker. So as it stands, I can honestly say it has in fact improved my sleep quality. I'm going to have to test out the other functions and report back in a later video. Thanks for watching, team. Make sure we do all the fun stuff, but most importantly, stay tuned.